Stay tuned for more cooking videos, more recipes, and I hope you stay with us for a long time. We got garden videos, cooking videos, and our family life. Tanya and Ronnie, and thank you for watching. Hope you stay with us for a long time at the Best Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye. Okay, today's grocery haul is eggs, 7.63 for 60 of them. $4.18 for bacon. $7.63 for uncured beef natural hot dogs. $7.63 for 6 hot dogs. Organic is what them are. Pizza blend was $1.97. These was $3.87. $3.87 cheese. And smoked sausage, $3.67. $3.18 for avocados. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for $3.18. $4.99 for these shallots. And 5 of these sharp cheddar cheese, $1.97 a piece. $5 for gold Gerbert for 16. Yogurt, strawberry and vanilla. And organic monk fruit, $12.97 for 1 pound. And canola oil for $2.97. And these was $1.97. Got 3 of them pineapples. $1.97 a piece. Grass-fed beef, $6.66 a pound. A pound of ground pork, $4.10. A pound of ground chicken, $3.10. $5 for vine ripened tomatoes for 5 of them. And the limes was 4 for a quarter a piece. That's $1. And the plums was 4 of them for $2.67. £10 bag of taters was $4.97. Two bag of onions was $3.47. And that's what kind they are, the white ones. Okay, we got carrots. They was 98 cents. 98 cents. 88 cents. 88 cents. And we got 6 of them. 6 black beans for 88 cents a piece. And then we got a minced garlic in water was $2.97. Altogether, it was $123. This is all of it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, we got a dollar store haul. We got buns, $1.50. Hamburger buns. Hot dog buns, $1.50. $2.50 for taco sauce. Dollar can mushroom soup. Cream of mushroom, $1. Cream of mushroom, $1. Steak and potato to make pies with, $2.40. Sirloin burger to make pies with, $2.40. And some minced onions, $1. Okay, some ground beef and pork blend was $5.50 for 1 pound. Armor Hammer hot dogs, $1.50. $1.50. Armor hot dogs. Armor hot dogs, $1.50. Armor smoked sausage, $1.35. $1.35. Cream cheese, $1.50. Potato steak and potatoes for $2.40 to make pies with. And 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 lemons, $3.50. And Hershey semi-sweet chocolate chips, $4.65. I'm going to make fudge with that. This and condensed milk and I don't know if I want to put peanut butter in it or what, but I'm going to make some kind of fudge out of that. See you later. Thanks for watching. This was $41. Okay. We just got back from the dollar store, and this is what we do to save on meat when we get it from a store. Don't matter what kind of meat, we divide it into meals for each person in the house. So that's the only way we keep meat around here, is to make portion size, or we don't eat. Each person gets 2 hot dogs. There's only 2 people here. So now we put them in this kind of bags, and then we'll transfer them to a freezer bag when we get done. Put them in freezer bags. That way they're double in the freezer. And they won't go getting freezer burnt. We got 3 packs of Armour hot dogs. Make sure they seal good. Well, they'll have a double layer. They'll have another bag on top of them. Let me know how you all do it when you come home from the store. And do you do portion size, or what do you do for your family? Or do you just cook it and make it and that's it? But this is how we've always made sure that we've had meat to eat or anything. We divide it into portions. And for 3 people, we still use a half a pound. And for 2 people, we still use a half a pound. So, either way. How y'all doing today? I'm glad they still have these for $1.50. And when I first bought them, I was weary about how they would taste. But they're just about as good as a beef hot dog. I think they are. So if you all got a dollar store close to you, go try them. Our Food City here wants $5 for a hot dog, no matter what kind, or they want $8.99. So I'm not giving that for it. That's the only grocery store we got here is Food City, the high dollar place. And I mean high dollar. They took out our Save-A-Lot, and now all we've got is either a dollar store or a Dollar Tree or something to shop at here in our city. I mean our county, I mean. Unless we want to travel 28 miles, go to Walmart. And ain't nobody can afford that all the time. Now we're going to lay this out to have something to eat today. It's 80% lean and 20% fat. Ground beef and pork blend. We all know hot dogs is processed food, but it's a cheap meal and a way to eat. That's all I'm worried about right now. Ain't worried about no processed food. I'm just going to worry about my belly, and that's it. We got 6 meals out of them hot dogs. Yeah, we know processed food's not good for you, but it's a cheap way to eat, and that's all I'm worried about right now. Now let me protect it for months now. 2 bags for the freezer.